Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're going back to CodeSignal, work on the Python coding exercises. If you're joining this in the middle of the playlist, I'll put a link in the description below so you can start from the beginning if you wish. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to the arcade, I'm going to Python, and I am going to the Intertools kit, and then number 51, rock, paper, scissors. All right, so the greatest ever rock, paper, scissors championship will take place in your town. The best players will battle each other to see who's the best player in the world. Each player will compete against each other player twice, once home and once away. Given the list of players, your task is to come up with a list of all the games between them and return them sorted lexiconographically. So you've got, in this example, 3 players, and you want to know what are all the possible matchups here, including home and away for each of them. So you're going to have ninja versus trainee, and then ninja versus warrior, trainee versus ninja, and then trainee versus warrior, etc. So how do you get that list of combinations, or I should say permutations? So they give you a hint that you're going to use the Intertools package, and in this case you're going to use the permutations from that package. And I'm going to go through why you're going to use that here. So there's kind of 4 different functions within Intertools that will give you those different sequences possible. So you have combinations, you have permutations, you have product, and the combinations with replacement. In this case, we're going to use permutations, like I said, and the reason is, so you wanted the home and away. So you wanted, so in this case, you've got these letters A, B, C, D. Imagine these are the different players in the tournament. So it's going to match A and B together. So this is, let's say, A is home, but you also want to have this A-B matchup where B is the home player. In this case, with permutations, you get that. So you also get BA. If you had done combinations, you would not get that. So you would get AB, but you wouldn't get BA. And the same with combinations with replacement. In product, you would get that, but you also get A matched up with itself. And that's not something that you would get in rock, paper, scissors. The right hand is not going to play the left hand of the same player because it wouldn't make any sense. So permutations is the one we want here. So that's the one that, sorry, wrong thing there. So in this thing, we're going to call the permutations function, and we're going to feed into it the player list, and we need sequences back that are 2 in length. So it's going to give us these lists of 2 players each. And actually, it's going to give us a permutation objects back. So we're going to convert that to a list using the list function, and then we're going to sort that list using sorted. So if we go ahead and run that, you can see we get the correct output. So hopefully you guys are able to follow along with my logic there, and you'll join me for future videos. Thank you very much.